received a phone call from one Peter Miskita informing that his relative is seen in a pool of blood at his house in Goa-Candolim. Joseph Soares, age 68 years old, who was later identified as a Canadian national. He was found in a pool of blood, and we had registered a case of murder under section 332 B 3096 103 of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. In this we achieved major success when we arrested the main accused, who is identified as one Arvind Raju Pawar, also known as Parshu. He is son of Raju Pawar. He is 20 years old, resident of Goa-Candolim, Bardez. We have arrested him from Karnataka, from Jeratagi village in Kalaburgi. As per the initial investigation, we've reached the conclusion that the primary motive behind the crime was robbery, but we are also not ruling out that there could be other angles involved also. Today he was produced before the court, and court has remanded him to one-day police custody, and interrogations on all these aspects are going on.